We are all stuck in this everyday life full of work and hustle. But now it's time to escape. Have you ever thought about reading a good book? Books can transport you to another world for a while. In particular, mystery books activate your mind so as to make you solve a mystery. Studies show that reading books encourages another kind of transportation which makes you less stressed, more empathetic and more active. Moreover, reading books expands your spiritual horizons, as you get to see stories that can make you open-minded and see the world from different perspectives. Another beneficial way to get out of a rut is painting your living room a soothing color. Colors can help us create a distraction-free zone and make us reconnect with ourselves. Imagine returning back home after a busy day full of work, facing a beautifully painted living room which makes you feel calm and happy. In particular, some shades of silver and gold bring a sense of tranquility to a space. So, consider painting your living room for a change. How about taking your dog for a long walk? If you immerse yourself in nature, you will see that this is one of the easiest ways to escape the anxiety of modern life, especially when you take a dog with you, which has added benefits. This happens because our four-legged friends offer us stress-relieving effects and a distraction from modern life which encourages us to leave our mobile phones aside and be present. What about cooking? Cooking something you like can be a reward for you after a day full of hard work. Moreover, cooking is a nice way to escape everyday life, because it gives you the chance to try yourself with different ingredients and different combinations, creating a challenge, which offers you a sense of accomplishment when you carry it out. Psychologists say that cooking can make us feel better during times of anxiety and it can help us find some comfort when we need it. Have you ever considered nature documentaries? According to studies, these kinds of documentaries are as effective at relaxing your mind and boosting your mood as meditation. Watching documentaries can also be a perfect chance for snuggling. They can travel your mind to the wild, where you will see a variety of animals, their behavior, and in that way you will educate yourself, forgetting about everyday life problems. So, think about tuning into shows like these. Daydreaming. An activity that few people indulge in. Letting your mind wander was considered a waste of time back in the day, but now scientists have found that we have to embrace our inner thoughts, feelings and fantasies, because they can be vital for our social skills, our psyche and our creativity. Actually, these thoughts can make us feel less stressed if we are able to sit with them. So, a little time for daydreaming each day is going to be very beneficial for yourself, as it is going to make you more comfortable with your inner world. How about gardening? A great way to reconnect with nature. Immersing your mind into a world full of plants and flowers boosts your mood and makes you creative. In particular, making flower beds or setting the seeds for plants you want in your garden throws stress away and boosts the feeling of happiness. Imagine every time you get back home, facing something beautiful that you made entirely on your own. What a nice feeling can this be? Break your routine with yoga. Yoga is an excellent way to relax your body and soul and throw your problems away, as it is considered to be an activity with healing abilities. In particular, yoga can be more than exciting if you combine it with the natural environment. Listening to the sounds of nature while meditating offers you the best possible experience. So, yoga is not just a hobby, but an activity that will make you feel completely invigorated and happier, as it changes your mood and gives you the chance to do something out of the ordinary. All these activities aim to get you out of this continuous rut. You can also solve other lifelong problems such as depression by clicking this video.